Remove battery. Loosen bottom door screws. Pry up bottom door and remove it. Loosen screws that secures thermal module. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts. Disconnect fan cable and then remove thermal module. Clean old thermal paste from CPU and NOR's bridge. And also clean it from thermal module. Remove screw that secures fan on the module and remove it. Now clean dust from the fan and from heatsink. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts. Apply a tiny layer of thermal paste to CPU and NOR's bridge. And install thermal module to its place.